Hey, hello, assalamu alaikum. So, this is a very quick language learning lesson in which you people are going to learn how to speak some very basic sentences of English, like first meetup, meeting a stranger, meeting someone for the first time. So, we'll be quickly doing it. So, the normal procedure when you meet someone, what do you say? उर्दू में जब आप कहते हैं आप कैसे हैं और इंग्लिश में हाउ आर यू हेलो देयर हाय देयर how are you so there are different responses to it. It's not a single response, there can be different responses, but the most commonly and frequently heard response is I'm fine. That is the most frequently heard response. The point here is it's like closing the conversation. Once you say I'm fine, so it's up, means you have wrapped up the conversation. You're not going to talk any further about it. And the next party has nothing to say, means the person who has asked how are you and you replied I'm fine. So the conversation ended right here. But to continue the conversation, आपको क्या कहना है अगर आप उस कॉन्वर्सेशन को कंटिन्यू रखना चाहते हैं यू नीड टू से आई एम फाइन व्हाट अबाउट यू आई एम गुड व्हाट अबाउट यू आई एम परफेक्ट व्हाट अबाउट यू आई एम प्रिटी फाइन व्हाट अबाउट यू आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट व्हाट अबाउट यू on the top, what about you? I'm great, I'm super. What about you? So the sentence in the response of your the answer that you gave, that sentence what about you continues the conversation with the other party. उसके बाद एक कॉन्वर्सेशन बिगिन हो जाती है और यूजुअली इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्रीज़ में जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है दैट इज़ मोस्टली कंटिन्यूड थ्रू वेदर, हाउस द वेदर. और यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान या आई मस्ट से साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज़ में जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है वो कंटिन्यू होती है by talking about politics, by talking about the prices that are going high day by day. This is the common. अच्छा एक और common sentence जो पूछा जाता है right after that, where are you from? So the responses are like I'm from this place, or I'm from Multan, or I'm from Lahore, I'm from Islamabad, I'm from Karachi. And then so in response to that again, silence is a bad thing, like it's like being rude. Once somebody has replied where are you from and then you are silent, so आप उसके जवाब में उस सिटी के मुतालिक जो भी आप जानते हैं you may ask okay tell me something about Multan, या आप कहें oh Multan which is famous about regarding sweets, regarding shrines, which is called the city of saints, which is famous for blue pottery. Oh, you belong to Multan city. या अगर आप एरिया की भी बात करते हैं विद इन द सिटी, किसी एरिया की भी बात करते हैं तो आप उस एरिया के मुतालिक भी बात कर सकते हैं, बट नॉट हैविंग एन ऑफेंसिव कमेंट, not giving any negative comment about it. You need to be positive when you are having the first meetup, or when you are talking to a stranger or someone at the party or someone at a wedding ceremony. You need to be courteous because this is like you have to be formal. I must tell here in English there are two terms, formal terms and informal terms. So formal terms हमारी होती हैं strangers के साथ, elders के साथ, bosses के साथ, teachers के साथ. But informal terms are like with colleagues, with juniors, with your age fellows, with your cousins. That can be informal. और slang भी वहीं पे बोला जाता है. Slang का word आप लोग बहुत सुनते होंगे, but what is slang? Slang is actually an informal kind of English. Standard English से जो deviated है, Standard English को usually British English कहा जाता है, उससे जो deviated है that's basically slang language, because America is a place where many cultures and many ethnicities have joined. तो वो एक multicultural भी है इस लिहाज से. तो वहाँ पे जो sentences, languages mix up हुई, they made up slang. ऑन द कॉन्ट्री ब्रिटेन जो है वहाँ पे ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश या जिसे क्वींस इंग्लिश भी कहा जाता है, that is still right prevalent. So, after what about you? So, what do you do for living? Or the question can be, what do you do for fun? So, what do you do for living is like you can tell that I'm still a student, or you can say I just completed my master's, or you can say like I'm teaching at this place, or you can say I'm a banker by profession. Then the other side is like what do you do for fun? And same like when you ended the question, what do you do for living, you can ask the same question back. What about you? What do you do? Okay, tell me something about you. And so what do you do for fun is like the common it's asked in a very common way. It's being asked that what are your hobbies? So here we are saying it in a different way. What do you do for fun? You can say, I like hanging out with my friends. I like going out. I like to watch movies. I like to watch suspense thrillers. I like to listen music. I like to move out with my friends. This is like the most common type. You can say, what do you do for fun? So from here on, you can move on to some very casual conversation. And one very common used sentence nowadays, which is very in, is that what's up? Or like what's new? Or what's fresh on your side? So it's like the most happening event, the most happening thing that's going on in your life. आप उसके मुतालिक बता सकते हैं, जिसे हम उर्दू में कहते हैं और क्या नई ताज़ी है, आपकी तरफ क्या नया है. So there are many ways to express it, like nothing special, same like the sun. जैसे सूरज रोज़ निकलता है ढलता है, बिल्कुल वैसे ही है, कुछ नया नहीं है. और I'm over the top. What's up? Nothing new. What's up? Nothing new, same boring stuff. What's up? Loads of fun. What's up? Lots of excitement. What's up? Pile of happenings. What's up? Oh, I've just joined a language class and it's super excited. What's up? I've taken admission in a vocational program and it's going great. These are the different ways you can talk and you can introduce yourself. Now, coming quickly to the introduction, let's suppose, inversing all that, अगर आपको सिर्फ अपना introduction ही कराना है, तो बहुत lengthy introduction नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप families का पूरा बताना शुरू कर दें और अबाव अजदाद तक चले जाएं. You just have to tell your name, about your family, how many family members you are, being very particular, and then your study, your ambition, what you are doing means your profession, and if you're a student, then only about your study, and what do you want to be in future. If like the person is getting a bit informal with you, then you can share your ambition with the person, and then you can ask the permission. Would you like to introduce yourself? Then, very important thing, if you need to exchange the numbers, then you need to ask permission. Can I have your number, or can I have your email ID, or can I have the contact details? Thank you. Take care.